Hi everyone, my name is Akurede Adenike. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to tap on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. In this tutorial, I would like to teach you how to make this basket. You can use it as a yoke to your dress or top. Let's get now. This is all I need for the basket: the old newspaper, my bias and the matching thread. So to get exact what I need for this paper now, I'm going to place my shoulder measurements. Here's the paper. It's folded into two like this, and this is the center of it. From the center here now, I'm going to place my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 15 inches divided by 2 is 7.5, but I'm going to add extra 3 or 4 inches to it because it's better for me to have excess, because at the end of the day when I finish the basket it might be shorter than what I need if I use exact my shoulder measurement for it. So 7.5 now plus 3 inches or 4 inches, so I'll make it 10.5 or 11.5. So I have 11.5 here. Now to get the length from the shoulder here, I'm going to measure whatever I need for the length because I'm using this basket for the yoke. So to get the length now, I need 8 inches for the length of my yoke, and I'm going to add extra 3 inches to it. So that'll make it 11 inches. I'm going to cut it off. Now I've cut exactly what I need for the paper that I'm using for the yoke. I've cut it out. Here is it, folded into two. Then from the center here, I measured 11.5 for the length, 11 inches. So it's better for me to have excess than to be shorter when I finish the basket. So to create the basket now, I'm going to place but before that, I'm going to measure from this angle. I'm going to measure 1 inch. I'm going to start placing my bias like this. So slantly. Place it like this slantly. Then you sew on the both sides. The second step, the second one, leave about quarter of an inch before placing the second one like this, and stitch on it on the both sides. So the third one, place it, before placing it you leave about quarter of an inch, sew on the both sides. So that's how I'm going to do it till I reach this angle. So I'll be placing it like this, leave about quarter of an inch before placing the fourth one like this, cut it off here, then you sew on the both sides of the bias till you reach this angle. So when I finish that, I'll now show you the second step of the basket. Now I'm through with the first step of my basket. I'll now move on to the second step. So by moving on to the second step, I'm going to start on this side. I started the first step on this angle. Now I'm going to start the second step on this angle now. So I'll leave about 1 inch before starting placing my bias now. Then I'm going to sew on the both sides of it like I did on the first step. So I'll just place it like this. Hope you can see me very well. Make sure you measure 1 inch from this angle. This is the 1 inch. Then you place your bias about quarter of an inch in between it like I did on the first step. So you place another one, the third one, leave about quarter of an inch in between it, cut it off, sew on the both sides of the bias, then place the fourth one like this, leave quarter of an inch in between it till you reach this edge, this angle. So when I finish it, I'll come and show you how it will look like. As you can see, it's beautiful already, and I hope you will like to make your own. So let me go and continue with it. Now I'm done with the basket. I've finished the second step. Look how neat and beautiful it is, and it has already formed. So I can use it as a yoke to my dress and my top. So you can even mix it like I did on the middle. As you can see, I mixed the color, or you use only one color for it. You can use 3 colors. It depends on your choice. So this is the wrong side of it. I'm going to use the tip of my scissors to make a hole for me to remove the paper easily, because I have to remove the paper to make my job neat. So I'll now turn it to the wrong side and remove the paper. Though it consumes time, but you have to remove it to make your job neat. That's all for today. I'm going to make a video on how to use it as a yoke for you. So that's all for today, guys. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question, you can join me on my Facebook group, Tailors Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Till I see you in my next video, stay blessed, guys. Bye bye.